We that do this work, you got to come from the heart. If you don't come from the heart, you're not going to last. And sometimes that's why I guess sometimes we have a huge turnover. That's what it is. If you have to come from the heart, you have to meet people where they are, be able to listen. The strength there is communication, accepting people, for who they are, good listening skills, and a lot of patience. I would tell people you got to have patience dripping out of your ears to be able to do what we do.
I would say honesty. Don't tell them things that they want to hear just because it's what they want to hear. Learn to communicate it in a way that, like, I'm being truthful to you. This is the facts. You have to really be passionate about mental health work, I feel like, to be successful here. Patients can tell the difference of somebody who's just in it because it's a job to them and they don't really care versus somebody who really takes the time to hear them out and come up with ideas and solutions.
You need to have patience and have that loving heart to want to help people, because sometimes others will not understand what they're going through. So you being there, you know the difficulties that it is that they go through. So having that compassion, having that patience to deal with them, sometimes is not typical for other people. So me being there and seeing things every day that I work, it gives me more peace of mind or more empathy or patience to be able to help them to be able to get out of that situation.
You need a lot of flexibility. You need a lot of patience, perseverance, really reinforcing the patient at where they're at, meeting them where they're at, in the acute setting all the way to when they walk out the door. Just seeing the growth within them, and patients that don't want to be here, trying to get them to develop some kind of rapport with them so that they are engaging and benefiting from the program.
The most important quality is to be yourself, to be who you truly are. I think empathy is an important quality to have. And when we think about empathy, sometimes we think it can be really difficult because I cannot relate to this person or what they've been through. But I think just being in the moment with them, it's really key. There's been, people who've just trying to process. Some people have shared it feels like a nightmare, going through what I'm going through. But to be able to sit with them, to be able to just, listen to them, it's really important. And not just listening in a sense of finding solutions, but at times just being in the moment, absorbing what they have to say. It helps them to be able to know that there's someone there with them, and they're going to be able to do this not by themselves, but they have the support system, the ability to be able to be flexible, to be able to willing to grow and to learn, because you don't have all the answers. The person going through their experience, living their life, the story, you don't quite know everything. They're not going to be able to share everything with you, but you might be able to capture a moment that you can use to be able to care for them.